East Coast Circuits, innovating your model railroad layout. East Coast Circuits is proud to introduce the Random Lighting Circuit 1.0. The RLC1 simulates the behavior of your house or apartment lights turning on or off. The LEDs can be installed in different rooms to simulate a person entering the room and turning the lights on, as well as turning the lights off when leaving. Here we see the circuit in action. We fast-forwarded the video to show you a better understanding of the sequence. As soon as power is applied, the circuit starts a random count which turns the LEDs on or off. This sequence is between 5 to 45 seconds. The circuit built-in resistors make it suitable for use with LEDs and 3-volt LED strips without the use of resistors. The RLC1 is capable of handling 6 LEDs at once as long as the LEDs are no bigger than 5 millimeters. All circuits include built-in pins for future add-ons. Thank you for your interest in East Coast Circuits.